Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, Egane Estembo, guys, has started last night, and I have a lot to say. But on this video, I want to talk about Usne, guys. The relationship between Sne and his father, oh my goodness, is so, like, I don't know, like the next minute they're good, the next minute they're not good. You know, on the last episode, on the last season of Istembu, Uthandone Istembu, they were good, right? But on this episode of Ingane Istembu, it seems like it's a bit rocky. Her father did question her on her trying to step his kids, you know, and he was saying it as if Usne is not one of his kids, right? And he also talked about Usne being lobolat and that Ena he wants nothing to do with Amalobola Asne. And I'm just like, why? Like, why? Why? You know? And Usne was like, and she thanked her mother. Well, yes, it's her mother. She thanked her mother for being there and raising Utando, even though her father did not want that. So I don't know. Okay. My take on this is that Usne has been a troubled child since her childhood. Ne? Compared to the other kids, she seemed to be the one who's giving her father a hard time, even in her adulthood. So I think the only thing they want from Sne is for her to straighten up her ways and show up. Like Umacele said, when we need you, you are never around. When we need you, you are nowhere to be found. Yes, whether you're going through something or not, remember she's raising her daughter. She has to show up sometimes and help her mother. And care it's her mother. Lena, she needs to show her. Lena, she's one of the kids. I think all they want, especially Ubabake, all they want is for her to show up so that they can show up for her. You know, every relationship, now that's what I said, every relationship, it's 50-50. If you show up for me as my father, I'm gonna show up for you as my dad. You know, you take from me, I take from you. I'm not going to be milking my dad dry of his energy because the only time I show up is only when I want money or something. Despite him raising my child or not, I need to show what is my dad. If something is required, mind you, Babake said that he got Usne a job. Sne ran away. Sne does not want to go to school. What does Sne want to do? Because in this economy and in this day of age, especially in South Africa, where violence against women and children is very high, the worst thing a woman can do is try to depend on a man, especially financially. That is going to lead to abuse. And I think Babake wants what's best for her. I don't think her father has any ill intentions with her daughter. Just show up, be straight, man. Go back to school, focus. If they give you a job, go and work. Try to be independent. All of them Seleku kids are working, even though they're working for their father, but at least they're working to make a living. Why can't he be like his other kids? And yes, now they're giving her really, really tough love. But because if she's not a child anymore, now she's an adult now. So they can't do anything than just to back up. They can't discipline her, they cannot punish her. The only thing that they can do is back up and let her do as she pleases. So that's my commentary on that, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.